Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Motorola phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to show network speed on Motorola phone. Friends, you want to show and you want to use guys your phone network speed, your Wi-Fi network speed, your mobile data speed. So how to on this setting and how to use it on Motorola phone today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, click on phone setting. After on phone setting friends, you can see this type of interface. So friends, click on display setting. After on display setting friends, you can see there are many settings: dark mode setting, adaptive brightness, night light mode. So friends, you can see a network speed. So we will on network speed guys. After on guys your network speed friends, connect guys any Wi-Fi network guys, and guys on your mobile network, and friends you can use your network speed. So I will connect Wi-Fi network. First guys I will remove this all network, and guys again I will connect. So friends, you can check your Wi-Fi network speed and friends your mobile network speed on your left side, but guys the speed is not showing. So guys again we will click on network speed setting and we will off it. So speed is not short. So guys what will you have to do guys, press on your phone setting, guys click on app info, and friends click on storage and cache, and guys clear cache and clear storage. Okay, and friends again guys on your phone setting, and friends click on display setting, network speed. Friends now you can show friends, you can see Wi-Fi. I think guys my Wi-Fi speed is very slow, that's why speed is not showing. So when you will on guys, you can use your network speed on your status bar Motorola phone guys. So like that guys, we can on and off guys network speed on Motorola phone from here. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys.